Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to collect the quest from Hess on the Darkwood Maps on Diablo Immortal Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Diablo Immortal account, and if you already log in, you need to make sure that you are on the Ru Battle Cam Waypoint, and then also you already claim the quest from the Hess over here. And if you already claim the Hess, you can navigate the quest like this. Because I'm a necromancer, I have skill like this, and it will increase my movement speed, so I can make it faster with my skill.
Without a corpse, I cannot.
Like this.
These cultists
And this
with them. They must also
I already reached the cult of damnation, and then all I need to do is search for the source of the dark magic over here.
Your master wishes to speak.
Oh, now is the luxury again, guys. And you can skip this. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a question, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.